as Ukraine's drone army has managed to penetrate further into Russia's defensive lines. The BM-21 Grad system, which should be much more safe as their range keeps them safe further behind the line. They have been attacked more and more by FPV drones. While the most common shape-charged warhead makes easy work of the non-armored target, the result of the hit could vary a lot. As some just penetrate the system, destroying components, the fuel or rocket could start a fire as seen with this strike. But as the system carries a lot of firepower, the risk of an explosion is also quite high as seen with this strike, more obliterating the system, making sure the system won't be repaired and brought back into service, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.